Here in this video, I will discuss marks of top 10 selected candidates of last 6 years, means 2022, 21, 20, 2019, 2018, and 2017. See, the things ki every time you aspirants, for example, are competing for this prestigious examination and you are targeting, for example, if you have worked hard, you target that my score should be in top 10 and my rank should be in top 10. So if you are aspiring, then you must see this video in detail. See, one more thing, marks of interview matters a lot. I already discussed, for example, couple of times in, for example, till 2020, you will see highest marks is 113. Highest marks is 113. Obviously, here not in top 10, no one got highest marks means. And here, for example, in 2017, highest marks was 105 in personality test. Okay, but in 2021, highest marks in personality test was 120. But no doubt, actually in top 10, no one got 120. Actually, highest is 115, but few candidates got 120 as highest marks. In 2022, in 22, highest marks 130. 130, you see 123, okay, 120. So some candidates got 130. That made a lot of difference. See here in first rank, written total, actually 5 marks are given here. Let us explain that. This is the paper 1 marks, means 173 is paper 1 marks, 101 is paper 2 marks, 274 is written total, 130 is personality test interview, and 404 is final. So once you see, for example, for 21 and 22 and 2020 latest day. So written here 274 first ranker, here 278, here 278, here 254, okay, here 252, and here 280. Okay, so in, for example, in 2017, highest score among these all years, highest score in written is here, but here interview marks is lesser. Let us add 130. If 130 you are adding, then it will be 410. But here, due to interview marks, you see 130 in interview. That's why the person got 404. And this is the first time some student got 400 plus marks in final selection. So every candidate, let us take, for example, in 22 personality test marks of topper 130, second rank 130, third rank 122, then 123, then 110, 102, 99, 108, 120, 105. Means except this candidate 99, all other candidates got higher marks in interview. Let us see this these 2 marks. 277 written total, but the person got lesser marks in interview, still top 10. Okay, if, for example, let us add 130, then the person would have been in okay, in first rank. That's the situation that happens. So it matters a lot. So see, the things key, why I am saying this. This is for those candidates also, for those who will appear in 2024, and for 2023 interview candidates. For 2023 interview candidates, your target is to see the score of interview. So every top 10 candidates, except, for example, 7th rank, all got 100 plus. And out of that, first 2 rankers, first ranker and second ranker got 130. Third ranker, fourth ranker also one of highest, 122 and 123. Then again, ninth ranker, 120. Let us take his marks is just 99. then obviously the person would have been selected, but rank would have been lower. That's why I'm saying keep your level high, keep target higher. Here, see, uh, fortunately, here out of 10, 4 belongs to me. Out of 10 candidates here, 4 candidates I have guided for some time. Okay, in one or other steps. Okay, so for example, 6th rank, 7th rank, 9th rank, and 10th rank. See, all those aspirants here also 110. Okay, 110, 100. Here it is 93, but written a score, you see, it is very high. Okay, it is higher than first ranker. Then, for example, here 115, 105. Okay, 104, 115. Here 99 and 98. See, that's the thing. No candidate is lesser than 90. Here also 93. But see, if the person would have been in 110, then this person has got first rank. That makes change. Here also in 2020, 113, 101. This is one of the exception you can say. But since written marks is very good, still third rank. Okay, see the difference. Here, 12 marks more in written part, but interview made a lot of difference for second ranker. Here, 110, 102, 110, 108, 101, 99, 87. But anyway, written marks is good enough. Okay. Next, for example, 2019 personality test. See, here 2020 and 2019, 113 is the highest score. Okay. So 113, 102, 93, 95, 113, 108, 88, 98. Okay. 98, 91. Okay. Here 105, 98, 98, 104, 105, 90, 102. Okay. 95, 107 and 98. Here 105. Here in this year I said 105 was the highest. 101, 98, 84. See, the things key, his score in written is very good. Still, in interview, the person got very less marks, 87, 87. Actually, this year, relatively, marks was lower, okay, in personality test. So you should go through all these marks and make sure key those candidates, why I am showing this. It is now fresh screen. Now look after each and every marks. I already told you this first score is paper 1 marks, second score is paper 2 marks. Okay, it is paper 1, paper 2, it is written total, it is personality test, and it is final total. Okay, so in same way, pause the screen, look after these scores, and you will realize the personality test makes a lot of difference. Okay, here, for example, every year, why there is variation? See, here many candidates in top 10 got lesser marks. Reason? Here highest marks was 105. Okay, here 113 was highest score. So you will see key exceptions. For example, this 90 score, 95, 98, 98, 98. So you can say in that case, it is relatively good marks. Here, since highest score is 130, that's why, except this candidate, all got above 100 marks. And out of that, many got, for example, 5 candidates out of top 10, 5 got 120 or higher. Okay, this is 120, 123, 122, 130, 130. So those candidates who still thinks कि my score in written part is little lower, because exact marks you are not knowing. And in 2023, okay, so pause the screen and look for all those marks which you want to see. This is the compilation, and if you wish, You can message me. I'll send you that. That is not a matter of, but you should go through, pause the screen, look after each and every marks. See, you still have 150 marks in your hand. Exactly, you are not knowing what marks I am getting in written. So written is 450. And since 2023, you are having 359 seats. Paper 1 cutoff will be lower since paper 1 question was little tougher side. Okay, since every, for example, UPSC in 2023, in every exam, UPSC post tougher question. Either it is civil services or it is if you have for examination either for assistant commissioner or EOAO. So in all exams in 2023, question was little tougher. So even if you are getting little lesser marks in written part, don't worry about that. See, 23 candidates qualified for written. But here, some candidates already got selected in 22 exam. So those candidates will be out. Okay, they did not participate in physical medical. Now, for personality test, more than half candidate will be out. Means exact, I'm not knowing, but roughly you can say 1050 to 1100 candidates will be in interview personality test. Now, personality test matters a lot. That can change a lot of things. You may get a lot of surprise every time that happens. For example, in 22, the candidate who got out of all those who appear in interview, that I'm saying, or you can say all those who got final selection, out of that, the person who got one of the highest marks, the same person got lowest marks in interview, still he got rank under 100 rank. But problem is that the person would have got top 10, top 20. The reason is you are not either focusing too much, means you are not getting or giving sufficient attention to your personality test. That's why your final marks is not that good, or your rank is not good. So whatever you are condition in you are in, just give focus. 130 and lowest 45 or 70 or 80. That makes a lot of difference. Don't think you will not get 120. You can get. If people are getting, then you should try. Better you know yourself. You know more than anyone is knowing about yourself. So go through your DAF, go through your uh, positive, negative, plus, minus, and after that, focus on your interview personality test. If you think, yeah, I deserve 70 marks at this time, you can easily jump to 90. If you think I deserve 95, you can get 110. If you think I can get 115, you should try for 125 or something. That's the thing. Every person is having a scope, but this is not the absolute marks. You are not sure now. 20 mark, 20 minutes. If you are performing well, you can have jump of 20, 30 marks extra. So give focus. Don't think too much about what a score is in written and all. You have good chance. You should focus. Appear in more and more number of mock interview. Solve the your issues. Discuss with your mentors, friends, and all, and try to get hold of yourself. If you want to join interview program, you are most welcome. You can message me either on this WhatsApp number 8527146498 or Telegram number 7404909669. Earlier you join, better it is. And I'm not saying ki just join to me. Join to any person. The person who can support you, get in touch with that person, take regular feedback, input, discuss some issues, and go through. Simultaneously, if you are eligible for 24 examination, keep preparing for written part. Unless you see your name in the final list, you have to keep continue. You have to give focusing on next examination. Many times that happens. Some aspirants are not selected by 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, but later time they are getting top 10. This happens to many candidates. Even for example, in 21, I said now, key out of 10, top 10, 4 are my aspirants, 4 are my candidates. Some did not get even in previous attempt, and finally they got in top 10. That can happen. Don't just focus on top 10, top 20, top 50, even 100, depending on your marks. For many candidates, getting just a name in the final list is enough for some, but uh, you should keep your aim higher and don't underestimate. Even if you are not in good condition today, by your hard work, by your practice, by your effort, you can be in good position. Okay. So if any doubt, questions, query, you can message. Okay. Thank you.